There go Travis.
Well, we making history today in Durham.
This DJ Fats right here, the world famous DJ Fats.
We out here in Durham on a Sunday.
Yes, sir.
In front of the new Durham courthouse, 50 courthouse.
Right here.
Open yet?
That's how we get down.
Ain't even open yet. History today, August the 26th, 2012. We made history in the Bull City. It's your boy DJ Fats. Rimtyme Custom Wheels Tires, Hillsborough Road. Hey, that's who sponsors me. I ride good, I ride big, and I'm riding on chrome. Holla.
There it is. World famous DJ Fats. Yes, sir. You can catch us at 3172 Hillsborough Road. Putting wheels on everybody from the Bull City to Rough Raleigh, out in Orange County, Alamance County. Putting wheels on everything from 17s all the way up to 28s. Motorcycle tires, motorcycle rims, accessories. There go Tim, the inspector.
Rimtyme Durham, 3172.
You can ask for me too, Moody.
Go look at it, bro.